Rich Dad Poor Dad, Chapter 3. Why Teach Financial Literacy? In today's chapter of Rich Dad Poor Dad, we explore one of the most powerful concepts that schools rarely teach: financial literacy. Robert Kiyosaki learned this from his rich dad early on. It's not how much money you make. It's how much you keep, and how long that money works for you. The cash flow trap. Most people think the answer to financial problems is earning more money. But Rich Dad taught that the real secret is understanding how money flows, and mastering your personal cash flow. Poor Dad said, get a good job, earn more, and buy a house. But Rich Dad said, use money to buy assets that generate more money. Asset versus liability. What's the difference between an asset and a liability? Simple. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. So your house? That's not an asset unless it pays you rent. Your car? A liability, because it costs you money every month. The mistake most people make. Rich people buy assets, like rental properties, stocks, intellectual property, or businesses. The poor and middle class? They buy liabilities they think are assets: a bigger home, a new car, or the latest gadgets. That's the trap. Let money work for you. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. That's the foundation of financial freedom. So if you want to build real wealth, start with this lesson. Buy assets. Reduce liabilities. Learn financial literacy. If you enjoyed this summary of Chapter 3 from Rich Dad Poor Dad, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Chapter 4 is coming up next, and trust me, you won't want to miss it.